Depot. So you're like a 15-minute ride. Need to get some supplies.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is she my friend or my foe? I'm off the exit, draw. Yeah, she give me that claim I was roll. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy. Run up the racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like dick, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah. Now they just be like friends.
Alright, so I got new handlebars yesterday. I have wide, straight bars now. So this whole thing happening right now with the cars is gonna be a little tricky for me to squeeze through.
Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to give me some chip. Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed louder than like the gay bubble. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah, had to get the little dot, no time. Remember smoking blunts with my friends, seconds a couple a day, yeah, lost the lock to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but at 8, then I found a leaf doggy, I'm smoking with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie, this a girl, but she want it. These little boys think I'm cocky. Poppin' straight like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch, still like an eyes, smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. My bitch drip like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch, still like an eyes, smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. Now that these people are friends, remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cope. I got 4 different tubs. I remember. Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is she my friend or my foe? I'm off the exit, draw. Yeah, she give me that claim I was roll. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy. Run up the racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like dick, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah. Now they just people like friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cope. I got 4 different tubs. I remember. Remember I was selling dog food, no kibbles, just to get me some skrill. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to get me some chip. Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed louder than like the gay bubble. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah, had to get the little dot, no time. Remember smoking blunts with my friends, seconds a couple a day, yeah, lost the lock to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but at 8, then I found a leaf doggy, I'm smoking with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie.
Alright, we're here. Yeah, it doesn't work. Come on. I found one in the parking lot. Thank you, man. Thanks, brother.
Rocco, I was 6 and I was 19.
6 and 19?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Please remove your card.
Alright, we got things.
I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy. Run up the racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like dick, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah. Now that these people like friends, remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cope. I got 4 different tubs. I remember. Remember I was selling dog food, no kibbles, just to get me some skrill. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to get me some chip. Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed louder than like the gay bubble. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah, had to get the little dot, no time. Remember smoking blunts with my friends, seconds a couple a day, yeah, lost the lock to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but at 8, then I found a leaf doggy, I'm smoking with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie. This a girl, but she want it. These little boys think I'm cocky.
been riding a lot this last week, and I'm kind of starting to feel it, man. My legs are very sore.
I got 4 different tubs. I remember. Remember I was selling dog food, no kibbles, just to get me some skrilla. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to get me some chip. Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed loud, and I like the gay bubble. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah, had to get the little dot, now I'm tomahawk. Remember smoking blunts with my friends, seconds a couple of days, yeah, lost a lot to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but at 8, then I finally leave dog, yeah, I'm smoking with side. 4-4, I'm a zone.
Alright.
This a girl, what's your mind? These little boys think I'm cocky.
Hey, home.
This is the final product for the bike rack that I built yesterday. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just basically screw on this end to the elbow one, and then a smaller pipe here, and then screw the elbow one there, and then screw the longer one there, and the same thing on the other side. Drill in holes, and then hammer in the anchors, and then you place these on top, and then screw in the screws. The anchor's gonna help it be more sturdy. And I also had some tape from my drop bars, which is this right here, and I wrapped it around the pipes just so you can give the frame some cushion and the pipes wouldn't scratch off the paint. I mean, it's pretty sturdy so far, so we'll see with time how it holds up. But yeah, that's it. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one.